and welcome back to OtherBuys. Today we've got the Braun Series 3 shaver. So I got one of these because I'm sick of doing a wet shave with foam and a standard razor. Didn't want to spend too much money, so this is the entry product from Braun. Get it from their website for about £37, or you can get it off Amazon for £31. I'll put a link in the description if you fancy getting one from Amazon. So let's have a look. Get in the box. Tough. There we go. Let's look at the product. Here we go. We've got charger. So pins for, if you're in the UK, your standard sort of charger socket. Here we've got the shaver itself. So it's got a safety cap, 2 foil strips and a clipper in the middle. And then what do we have here? So we have instruction manual, various languages. So it's suggesting that you change the clipper head in 18 months. So you can note that down here. So that's just the head here. Be able to replace that if you need to. Yeah, just pull straight off. Put that back on. So the reason I wanted to get one of foil shavers is because they're better for sensitive skin as opposed to the rotary ones, which are circular. So this one, it says, will run for 30 minutes once charged. It takes 90 minutes to charge. On the front, it talks about this quick charge, 8 times faster. What that means is if you charge it for 5 minutes, it'll have enough charge to do 1 shave. It's waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. And you can use it with foam if you don't want to do a dry shave. And it can also be used with the cable plugged in into the socket, you know, if you're completely out of juice and you need to have a shave. So I think what I'll do is I'll charge this up, give it a go, and get back to you to see what it's like. Right, so it's all charged up. It's supposed to take 90 minutes, but first charge, I'm much shorter than that. There must be some power in the battery, so let's give it a go. So we've got there in a little bit of stubble. As you can see, very thin beard. So we'll see how it goes. So really smooth, really comfortable. Doesn't catch at all. Look at that side, compare it to that side. I think that's not a bad job. So the Philips 3 Series shaver. If you fancy this, check out the link on Amazon. Put it in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much, guys. Until the next time.